Hey guys, it's me Popunder, and in this video I'm going to show you a lazy way to earn money with affiliate marketing. So I'm going to show you each and everything in a step-by-step process so that you can learn and implement everything for yourself. So if you are new to this channel, then please do like this video and do subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question regarding this video, then ask me in the comment section below. So now without doing any delay, let's get started. So firstly, you need to sign up to a affiliate network. This might be ClickBank Digistore. Okay, you can promote any random offer by using the strategy that I'm going to show you in this video. But for this video purpose, I would suggest you to sign up to this affiliate network that is called ClickBank. And once you sign up and log in and click on this marketplace, then you will see something like this. Just click on the search button and sort it out by gravity. Okay, so gravity simply means the offer that are making good amount of money for affiliates in simple word. So just see, this XGPR is in top and it has a gravity of like 892, and similarly there are T1 559, Java 1, and here is a Glucotrust that has 290, and most probably these offers are already being run by lots of affiliate. Okay, so we'll take this offer, okay, which has a gravity score of 290, which is pretty fine, okay, to use in this strategy. So anything related to health would be health offer, okay, would be good for this strategy. So let's just select Glucotrust. So now once you select this offer, then what you need to do is you need to click on this affiliate page. So let's click on it and you will see this kind of interface. So now you can scroll below, okay, keep on scrolling and keep on scrolling, and here you can just put your ClickBank affiliate ID. That is, so for my case, for this account, this is the affiliate ID. So you can click on I agree the terms of service and click on generate hope link. So this is going to be your hope link. Okay, so now next thing you need to do is you can submit your info and see this email swipes, or you can click on here. Now don't worry, we are not going to do some kind of email marketing at here. Just click here for our best performing email swipes. So just click on it. So we'll take this as a reference for our title of the landing page. Oh yes, we need to create a landing page to use this strategy that I am going to show you. So now once you see all of these emails, you can read it. Okay, it will make you more smart in doing marketing for this kind of product. Okay, if you read these kind of emails, what they are trying to tell and what they are trying to deliver, you will, if you read these kind of emails, then you will be more smarter. So now now we need to build a landing page. Now it will take you like few minutes to create landing page, and I'll show you how simple it is. Okay, so to build a landing page, we are going to use this platform that is called Systeme, and if you haven't an account on Systeme, then I have a link in the description. You can click on it and create your free account on Systeme. They have a free plan which you can use for lifetime. You don't even need to pay if you don't want to upgrade, and if you sign up through the link that I am given in the description of this video, then you are going to get all of these affiliate landing page. Plus you can also claim my free course that will teach you each and everything on how you can do everything on this Systeme. Okay, so if you need that, then there is the link in the description of this video. Please check it. So now once you log into your Systeme dashboard, then you just need to go to this funnels. Okay, if it is not at here, then there may be some drop down. You can click on it and there will be this funnel, and once you see that funnel, then what you need to do is you will already get this all of this landing page. Okay, you can create up to 10 landing page in this same place. Okay, so here you can see this is 1 2 3 and this 3 is 1. Okay, 4 landing page, 5 6, there are altogether 6 landing page, but there are 9 pages. So now you can only create one, and I'll show you how you can do that. So let's click on create step and then give this landing page name like what the offer is about, Glucotrust, and you can just simply click on this and click on switch page and click on save. So now don't worry, we are not going to make some opt-in page. Okay, we are creating a bridge page. So now you can select any that is available at here and design it by yourself, or if you ask me, then I would suggest you to select this one. that is totally blank. So now once you do this much, then you can also change this URL name to gluco, okay, and then click on this save and click on this edit button. Now what you need to do is just pull this headline text at here, okay, and pull this image at here and pull the button at here. So this much what we need is only these things, these three things only we are going to need, okay. So one additional thing what we need to do is this this text also you need to put at here, okay. So just for like it is for privacy policy and type maybe contact us, and you can also put disclaimer, and you can reduce this to like 16, okay. And if you don't know what you need to put this at here, then I'm going to provide you another link. So here you can see when I'm firstly listen to this, okay, when I'm trying to click on save changes, at least one email input is required, it is saying, right. So now what you need to do is you need to click on this button, and here you can see here is showing send form. Just select that, then click on open URL, and then this problem will go. So if you don't know what you need to put, what link you need to put at here, then I will give you another link that is in the description of this video. You can click on it and you will get all of these policy pages which you can edit according to your URL. For example, your URL may be abc.systeme, then you can just edit that URL in your privacy policy, okay. Put that URL in the privacy policy, disclaimer and contact us, okay, and you can update that link at here. I'll give all of the policy pages link for Systeme in the description of this video. So now once you see this, then you can go to this email and see 30-second ritual reverse high blood sugar and torch fat. So we need to find an angle, okay. High blood sugar, new doctor leave speechless. Okay, this can be one, okay. What they aren't telling you about your blood sugar, that is not good. Burn fat and balance while you sleep. Do this before bed to balance blood sugar. Okay, so this can be one of the interesting title that you can give for this, for your landing page. So let's copy it and simply go here and paste that, okay, and click on save. So if you don't like this font, then you can simply change here, okay, to Google font, and you can go with Open Sans or maybe Roboto. Any font that you want to use is fine. So now if you are using free plan, then of course this will you can see here this will appear, okay. And if you are on paid plan, then you can simply click on setting and remove that batch, okay, by doing this, on ticking this and clicking on save changes. So now it's time for us to find the images, and let's see if there are some images that we can use. Okay, so now you can see there are no any images that we can use, okay, right image or good image. So what you can do is you can just come to this image, right click on it and search Google for image. You can do this, okay, and you will see, okay, so it is not showing. Then what we can do is blood sugar image. Let's see, let's find out some blood sugar and lose weight. Let's see. Okay. Okay, so sometimes this also happens that you don't find the image that you want to use, okay. Just by using this kind of normal image, it doesn't work at all. This is also a good image to put, but now what we can do is, now let's go to our this link, okay, and let's open it in incognito mode. and then you can simply click on here, and you can take a screenshot of any part of this image, this video. Okay, so let's say let me click it and mute this sound. Okay, and I can watch some video. Okay, and whenever I find some interesting, then what you can do is you can use this app that is called Greenshot. Okay, you can download it for free. You just need to click on this app. Okay, and you will click on capture region, and now you can capture all of this place. So I'm just capturing it randomly. Okay, save in desktop and click on save. So now this image is most probably in our desktop. Here you can see, so this image came at here. Okay, so now you can use this image. However, this image is not good, but we don't have too much time to just keep on watching this video. That's why I selected that image for this video purpose. Now what you can do is you can again go to your system IO. You can click on this setting button and click on this image file here. Click on this and click on select file and go to desktop and select the image. Okay, so these things are extremely simple to do. Okay, and once that image is uploaded, then you simply click on insert. So now this image is at here. Now you can click on save changes. So now you can, what you can do is click on here. Okay, and in URL you put your link, this affiliate link at URL at here, and okay, open in same window. That's fine. Now just scroll below, and here you can see click here. What you can do is click here to watch now. Just type this much, scroll below, and soft text here, that delete that. Okay, so I need to turn on my laptop charger just for a second. Okay, so I just forgot to plug in my charger. So now again, let's get started. So yeah, click here to watch now and delete that soft text and icon selector. What you can do, icon selector after text. After text means here, before text means here. So after text, let's put some arrow. Okay, so this arrow is fine. And what you can also do is you can click on save changes and again click on this button. Okay, and scroll below and increase the font size to like 25. Okay, you can also change your buttons font. Maybe if you want to put like open sans, and maybe you want to make it bold, this way you can do it. Okay, maybe in lato and bold, this is also fine. So whatever you want to do, you can do at here. So do this before bed to balance your blood sugar. So this is a little bit below, right? So you just click on this green and this setting and scroll below, and you will see there 40. You make it small like 20 or 10, you can make it, and click on save changes. So now another important thing that you need to do is you need to click on this green and scroll below, and content white is full white. Okay, it will show in full page, but what we need is small. Yeah, let's click on save and let's preview it once. So now it will look like this. So small is not good, so let's make it medium and click on save changes and preview it. So now this looks nice. So now what you can do is you can do this before bed to balance blood sugar. Now you can change the text, make it red. Okay, now you can play with these things. Now if you want to make it a little bit bigger, then select all and click on this H1, okay, and click on save changes and again do a preview. Now it will look like this, okay. Do this before. So now if you want to change the background color, then just click on that green, okay, green, and here and go to background color and make it a little bit like this, and you can reduce the opacity with the help of this, okay, and then click on save changes. So now you can again do a preview. So now this will look like this. So now what you can do is you can also put your affiliate link in this image also, okay. You can click on here and open URL and just copy your affiliate link and where is it, paste it at here. Make sure the open URL is at here, okay, and click on save changes. So now you have two URL inserted, that is in image and a button. So now after you complete all of these things, and make sure to get the policy pages, okay, and just edit those privacy policy, contact us and disclaimer. It is extremely easy to do, and you will put the link of all of those at here and click on save changes and click on exit. So now your landing page is ready at here. So if you click on here, then you can see this landing page. So what I'll do is I'll leave this landing page as it is at here. You can simply click the link that is in the description of this video and get this landing page also along with all of these landing pages, okay. So once you get this landing page, then you have your, now you need is traffic. So for traffic, what you need to do is, firstly I want to show you something. So if you type Microsoft Ads $100 coupon, then you will see several sites. Just click on any one, okay, and no matter wherever you are from world, okay, just ignore this and click on this sign up now, and then you will see a interface of Microsoft Ad where you can get $100 ad credit if you spend $25 in search advertising in Microsoft Ad, okay. So get $100 in search advertising if you spend, when you spend $25 in Microsoft Ad. So just click on this start now and sign up to this platform. So if you you need to run PPC campaign, okay, search campaign, and to learn exactly how you can run these kind of ads to promote ClickBank offer, I have a course, a complete full course, okay. You can simply type ClickBank full course, make money with Pawan, okay. If you type this search term in YouTube, then you will see my course at the top, and it is of 143 minutes. You can watch any one from these two, both are same, okay. There are like 19 chapters, and I have shown you everything from creating Microsoft Ad account to, I have used a direct linking example in this full course. You can also use direct linking, you can also promote your offer by direct linking, or what you can do is you can use this lazy way, and if you use landing page, then you will get more conversion than direct linking campaign, okay. So just use your URL, that is this one, okay, and promote your offer in Microsoft Ad search advertising. So it is extremely simple to advertise in Microsoft Ad, and I have shown everything in this course. So you can just type and ClickBank full course, make money with Pawan, and you will be able to see this full course. And if you learn this how to do, then you can keep on making money in lazy way for lifelong, okay. So it is extremely easy, and Microsoft Ads convert extremely well in this kind of health offers. So guys, if this video added some value to your life, then please do like this video and do subscribe to my channel. And if you want to make passive income for life long, then I have a link in the description, that is in the top of this video's description. You can click on it and see if it is good fit for you. So guys, thank you for watching up to here. Take care, have a great day ahead. Bye bye.